All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about learning how to use sealants right. This is going to be a rant. I hate improper use of sealants. To give you an example, the car right there, I'm putting a water pump in. Somebody else has already put a water pump in. There's the gasket. There's our TV. They also put our TV on the O-rings. They also put our TV on that O-ring. Stop it. Put it down. Gasket. No need for sealant. O-ring. No reason for sealant. Put a new O-ring or connector on it. Available. Not that expensive. Put it on. But this, if you do this kind of stuff, stop it. There is no reason to put silicone RTV on a rubber gasket. Ever, ever, ever. Can you tell? I hate RTV on a gasket. It's just stupid. There's no reason this would ever need sealant. It's the gasket. It's a rubber gasket. Use the gasket. That's how it works. You put this in right, you torque it to spec, it doesn't leak as long as, no oil leaks. It's not hard concept. Service information tells you where to put sealant. It never says put sealant there. It never says put sealant there. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Learn how to use sealants appropriately and correctly. Heck, I went to a Napa class on the proper use of sealants. Learn how to do it. Do it right. Quit doing this janky stuff. Now, side note, the RTV had nothing to do with the failure of this water pump. It didn't leak because somebody used RTV. It broke because of oil. It's a pet peeve of mine. I hate slathering RTV on everything. Stop it. There's no reason for it. Just stop it. Use RTV appropriately in the appropriate amounts. To give you a little story, back in my younger years, blue RTV was the thing. Every do-it-yourselfer used blue RTV. You get a Chevy truck in with leaking valve covers. They'd be complaining about, I've done all this stuff on it, I can't get it to stop leaking. You'd unbolt the valve cover and it'd just slide off because it was spooged up with blue RTV. Or you'd go to do a water pump and there'd be blue RTV all over everything. It's excusable for a do-it-yourselfer to not know proper use, but a professional, that was an OE pump on that Volkswagen, by the way. Hopefully not a dealer, but obviously not a quality technician doing the job. Learn how to use RTV correctly. Look up the service procedure. It tells you where to put RTV and how much. Just follow the service procedure. I know I went on a rant on this one, but it's a pet peeve of mine. And after I pulled that one apart, I was kind of pissed. So you get a video on it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you are one of those guys slapping a pound and a half of blue RTV on everything. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.